All right, moving on to section 8, and here we're looking at the circumference of a circle that we've been dealing with. So circumference of the circle is another way of writing the perimeter. So it's the distance it takes to go around the circle. Okay, it just has a special name. We call it the circumference. Okay, so the circumference of a circle is basically, there's two different formulas you can use. You can use either circumference is equal to d pi, which d stands for the diameter, or you can use 2r pi, which is the radius. So 2 times the radius times pi. Now with these, you can just multiply pi into the equation, 3.14159, so on and so forth, into the problem, and then you can just round it to about 2 or 3 decimal places. If they use the phrase in terms of pi or exact, you just want to write what the diameter is and then write just pi. So let's say I have a circle and I have a diameter of 10. Okay, the diameter of 10. My circumference of the circle would end up being 10 pi, or 31.4, whatever the unit is. Okay, so if I multiplied it in, it'd be 31.4 units. Okay, and these units would be like inches, meters, centimeters. Okay, they're not squared, they're not cubed or anything. It's just the unit because you're talking about a perimeter. So the distance around this circle would be 10 pi. Now let's say I have a different circle, and I know that my radius is 4. Find the circumference. So the circumference here would be 2 times 4 times pi, which would either be 8 pi, or if you multiplied it through, would be about 25.12. Okay, so that would, either one of those would end up being your circumference. Okay, circumference is fairly straightforward. There's those two formulas, so depending if you have the diameter or the radius, you have it for your answer. Okay. All right, here's your homework for that section. This is a very short section, very simple, very straightforward. Make sure you work on that, and then you'll be good.